Shubor Nakaslem Jong Nongshna Hima.
Ka Rural Craft and Engineering Division Kalapanlong ya ka Marketing and Promotional Workshop ba Rc&E Kanthi halor kamat Scheme on Studies for Promotion and Strengthening of Black Pottery haka khat tarik bat khatlai tarik leber haka shnong Tyrshang bat Larnai West Gentle Hills District haka jingalang pli ke balalong Rc&E hakli Tyrshi layadon lang Joint Director Commerce and Industries Shillong uba ML1 Shong kum ukongsan bat General Manager ke DCIC Jawai uba B Warjeri kum usembut kongsan. Kani ke projek kedai ke balabi tingka da ketenat Commerce and Industries ke Sorkar Jela bat la pentrikam da ke Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Rural Industrialization Wardha Maharashtra ke badai ke Research and Development Institute ke bahap hapo jong ke Ministry of MSME ke Sorkar India. Kajing temu bakongsan jong kani ke projek kalong ban kentiu yaki kam karkhana ki bapen mi yaki Jinghikai Tynrai kumjuk ban kentiu yaki yau kahat ban penjur yaki jing pen mi yaki Tiar snakti neki artisans ban penyok nong bat ban pli yaki lat yok kam yok jam nak benta ki Nongshna bat ki nong seng kam lajong hakit han nong kendong Joint Director Ketenat Commerce and Industries ula ai khuble yaki nong penyat halor ke jing kershan nak benta ki neki Nongshna bat ki nong than kti Kamtam hakabede bat kejing shnai kini ki kiu khandau hapok ka shnong Larnai bat Tyrshang. Ula ongru bakini ki Nongshna kila yo ajing mentai shibun lingba kani ka program Jinghikai bat na ki jing let jurep ban penpau ki sap ki phong bat ban yo ajing mut shu hakabede bat kani ka kam. Nalor kata ukan turu yakini ki Nongshna bakin sam lemru yaki jing tip bat ban ya mir jing mut lang yaki jing syam bat yaki buat nak benta ka jing mentai jong ki babun.
Ngadap daga jing kemen ke bakrau banga warna kene kapor mangani ba philai bun kan de nongkong do ngakan mau ki program ki balalai dia don ki basiphongut ki don ki ba arphongut ki don ki ban ruphongut mereka ni ketika sin bandungkong ne mangani ba philai bun kan ne te dang lawar wat benya he nga kali niki layar apa ipi Kiong pemerintah berkuat ngelai dalam sispa sepungut. Te hoj akan ke program kini projek bengila long yela pan mo babun hi kede Larnai ka tu kene Tyrshang te nakita ke pom Tiar la segi Tyrshang ro kim yasnok tilang bat ngi kene projek te jin ba kila wanlang segitu ngatre la pelat ya kala spa saspa mo. Tom lele spiski nginang kiu hi ki hakane ka kam te kalong ka mo ke ika sang ke babha ke mani hadu sispa chhongot ba philai don mo kalenti ni thu pi no kam de kam ka pasuk mo manta phila su thu ndai banong bas thu bania la kam su thu ka to kane hagane ka project ba pilong pi te philawan training ka to kane philai jet na liang jong ki mo ti banwan cha wada la sang tu atu ke institute la training mati so kalong gumno ka institute ka training no nata kilawan sebenai training hani snong jong pi ka bay appear na ka bay level ke mo ya ki artisan ya ki master trainer nangta ka banong kam do kalong ba kilai lam ya pi chekini ki exposure visit ke mo kini ki bru hui jaka ke ibun ud ki spa ke hajar itu cluster pi yang ni bidang red plat kidan cluster beduk san hajar ngot gidan bisna puteri ko Uttar Pradesh te play yang tu kumong doktor pendeta raw mana kumno mamaki ndai kiladun kita ki common facility center mo ki yang kisam ke babiang ki machine materi ki yang ne dang long kurung keram dang dai ke ba mencuong no ngai pi ni ka project nang dai tang wasdang ni be mo ke ki jeng Tyrshang jong ye ko na kalian ka department commerce industries mo dang dai tang wasdang galenti badang jerong ba mo bagin ya lam lenti ya pi begin support yang ingin kersian mo ki kam fer te ngatrai wat tang ini projek belaya cisnem ro stu labon ba ke mo ki bala kala pe ki idea la ni ki jing tip bat mai play bat kamtam ki so thu kumnu ki bru ki la imja na ni ka kam ke kalong full time job ki ong mo kim dang kam su man rap mariang man ri jing ri ne menteri wi kam thik tang ka kam snai ki ni ki kundo mo ya rai pila display yang tu bamenta ki bru pila kali yang ngi romo de yang la kam iper ni ki tiar mencuai ki long plane be tu tang kenian soi pila ro kala compare ki bru ki long ta ke ki nong thiet ru hap li benia hap pit na ko por ni kumno ke jing itanat de kumno ke jing pichnai ki tiar ke ba matmai utama te kelenting mo ngai phi ka nang dei kelenti ke ba jrong ba ma te ai be ke ber khoi ngin muti ho le no mun dang tha ro bon khu bon panya i kelenti mo ha ba dei kanang ba kani ka kam ka bala nadu men merim ulai mo bala ko nam kata ka Larnai ba ka Tyrshang mo Nongshna ini bukan lumja kan bukannya nak kawai kapateng sekawai pat ba kumju ro mo ba kanang klanju su mungkin la penmi kinu ki tiar ke batmai ke bat be kambun kanang ba kila man penim jai phi ke sundan mo bat men percang ka bala mengenetri kum group mo kita bagiong ke cluster approach ke kanang ba kalau wei ke ba hadien tu ngila ban penmi bun ke tiar ban ngila ban penbiang coba ke
divided this project in two phases. Phase 1 is completely study how many craftsmen there in Larnai, how many craftsmen there in Tyrshang, and there are lots of craftsmen who are not come in limelight. So in this part, we went to village, door to door in the villages, and we found out there are lots of craftsmen existing in the village, but a few people only practicing. Then so we made a survey and we found the problem. What is the problem? What is the the main issues we need to concentrate and develop? So during the study we found there are lots of issues in that. So then we focused on that. Based on the survey, we made a deep DSR diagnostic study report, submit to the ministry, Commerce and Department of Common Directorate of Commerce and Industries, and then based on that report, we designed a phase 2 activities. Then we thought, let's take it because we need to give lots of skill development training program because, for example, Larnai, there are few people practicing, but there are lots of people who can do that. They're from their clan or some. So we target those people to involve more people in this craft. Then to give 70-80 people, the training to the 70-80 people, of 2 people not enough. Then we decided, when we planned, bring some people to our institute. So 14 people we brought them. We given them trainers of training. The people who are already practicing there, we brought them. We taught them some new technologies, new production, production point of view, using new machines and new designs. What are the products which is going in market? So there it was for 20 days we have given the training to the